In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show and hide containers with buttons in WordPress Elementor. We'll start right from your WordPress dashboard. First, sign in and head to the Pages area in the admin menu. This is where all of your site's pages live. Find the page you want to work on and open it with Elementor. That will launch the visual builder so you can see your layout, containers, and sections exactly as they appear on the page. Once you're in Elementor, hover over the container or section you want to control. Click its edit handle to select it. To quickly manage visibility while you're designing, open the Structure or Navigator panel. You can do this by clicking the structure icon in the editor. A panel will slide in on the left, listing your sections, containers, and inner elements in a tidy tree view. Inside this panel, look for the eye icon next to the section or container name. Clicking the eye lets you temporarily hide or show that element in the editor. This is great for focusing on a specific area without deleting anything. Keep in mind, this toggle is primarily for your design workspace. It helps you see the page with or without certain parts while you're building. If you want to control what visitors see on different devices, use the visibility controls in the section settings. With the section still selected, open its options menu and switch to the Advanced tab. From there, open the responsive panel. Here you'll find device-specific visibility settings. You can choose whether the section is shown or hidden on desktop, on tablet in portrait orientation, and on mobile in portrait orientation. Toggle the desktop option to control visibility for larger screens, the tablet portrait option for medium screens, and the mobile portrait option for small screens. These settings determine whether that section appears to your visitors on each device type, so they're ideal for tailoring your layout to different screen sizes without duplicating content. A quick tip as you set these: think about what each audience needs. Large hero banners might work best on desktop, while simplified content blocks are often better on mobile. Use the responsive panel to align each section with the device where it's most useful. To recap, use the structure panel's eye icon to hide and show containers in your editing view, and use advanced, then responsive to hide or show those same containers for desktop, tablet portrait, and mobile portrait visitors. With these two approaches, you can design faster and deliver a cleaner experience across every device.